Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azia Taulia. My study program International Business Administration Class A. Okay, I will presentation about enterprise resource planning. Background: the development of technology in the current era of globalization, especially in the field of information technology, continues to develop and will never stop, so that everyone who uses it became dependent on the benefits and convenience of the products used. Like the information system, it is a product that is built and developed for the needs of certain business processes with a friendly appearance, fast and easy to use data presentation, so that it is used as a tool to collect data centrally until finally producing reports that can be used for management decision. In data processing and modern business transaction, there is a ERP or enterprise resource planning system that will integrate an integrated record of all company transaction process, from how the production process sales and how many transactions occur to how much supply and company needs. Definition of enterprise resource planning or ERP. Enterprise resource planning, or often abbreviated as ERP from the English term for enterprise resource planning, is an information system intended for manufacturing and service companies whose role is to integrate and automate business process related to aspects of operation, production, and distribution in the company concern. Enterprise resource planning is an integrated information system technology used by world-class manufacturers in improving company performance. ERP is a system both as a planning system and as an information system in Indrajit and Permono, year 2005. ERP or enterprise resource planning is an modular software system designed to integrate the main functional areas of a company's business process into one unified system. ERP basic function. Point 1. Defining products. There are two definitions of product used, namely standard products and custom products. Point 2. Production strategy. To achieve demand according to demand, there are two recommended categories, namely make to stock and make to order. Point 3. Determine the type of relationship between the sales order and supply order. If you use the make to order production strategy to meet customer demand, you get a step of direct relationship between the sales order and the material requirements. Point 4. Approach to practical production process. The practical production process approach aims to reduce the grace period in carrying out the production process. Point 5. Approach a good scheduling system. The ability to determine scheduling well in the manufacturing industry is greatly influenced by the dynamics of the schedule being determined. Characteristic of enterprise resource planning. In general, an ERP system has the following characteristic. Point 1. An ERP system is a software package designed for both traditional or desktop-based and web-based client-server environments. Point 2. ERP system integrate the majority of existing business process. Point 3. ERP system process all company organization transaction. Point 4. ERP system use enterprise scale database for data store. Last point, ERP system allow user to access data in real time. Meanwhile, the characteristic of ERP according to Daniel E. O'Leary including the following. Point 1. ERP system is a software package designed for the customer service user environment, whether traditional or network-based. Point 2. ERP system integrate most of the business process. Point 3. ERP system process most of the company transaction. Point 4. ERP system use company database will typically store its data on. Point 5. ERP system allow access to data in real time. Last point, in some cases, ERP system allow for the integration of transaction processing and planning activities. Benefit of enterprise resource planning or ERP. Point 1. Integration of financial data. Because all data is stored, certainly company executives get up-to-date data and can better manage company finance. Point 2. Standardization of operation process. ERP implements a standard system where all definitions will use the system in the same way. Thus, the company's operation will run more efficiently and effectively. Point 3. Standardization of data and information. A centralized database that is implemented in ERP from standardization data so that information can be obtained easily and flexibly for all definitions in the company. Okay everyone, that I will give one of the video about enterprise resource planning.
From its inception in the late 1940s, Clameson is a privately owned company that has grown into Europe's leading manufacturer of precision pressings. With diverse market expertise, together with a single status committed workforce and exacting quality standards, Clameson has a proven pedigree and is well positioned for further success and growth in the future.
I'm Anthony Ridding. I'm the Manufacturing Director at Clameson. We manufacture subcontract precision pressings for mainly the automotive industry, electronic industry, household appliances, IT, and growingly we're going into the medical industry. We are investors in people and TS1649 accredited company. We chose to use the Excel product EFAX about 2 years ago, and after a 4 months induction period we went live about 15 months ago. Here we have one of our warehouses. As you can see, we've got raw material over there and we've got finished goods here. We also have another warehouse in another unit. One of the big advantages we found with EFAX is that we're allowed to have multiple warehousing facilities so we can dispatch and receive from various points throughout the company. We're now 15 months since we started implementing EFAX. The first 6 months was the same people doing the same things but in a slightly different way, just getting used to the handling of EFAX. We soon realised that there were some features in EFAX that we could use that would lead to getting our people to do things in a slightly different way that would make us more efficient. This meant we could then reorganise the company and alter the structure. This we did, and now we've got less people doing more jobs, more functionality. We actually believe that within the next 2 years, by using the advantages that EFAX will offer, we'll have an even better structure and a much more efficient company. Hopefully, the turnover will grow using the same number of people. The account managers do everything from ordering material, dispatching goods, creating works orders. The whole works goes on here. EFAX is totally utilised in this office. The two big advantages we found with EFAX already is one, having the integrated accounts. That has been a huge saving for us. And then from a manufacturing point of view, being able to extract data out of the database. We can do lots of things with the data which we couldn't do with a DOS-based system. We're hoping in the future that by using document management and workflow, we can actually make the company much more efficient than it currently is and get us this competitive advantage over our competitors.
Okay everyone, thank you for attention. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.